Rent insurance saves seniors $2,000 a year. But your landlord never mentioned it. Your property manager conveniently forgot, and your bank pretends it doesn't exist. Here's the thing. If you're over 60 and renting, you're bleeding money into a system designed to keep you broke. Security deposits, rejected applications, hidden fees that pile up like medical bills. But there's a tool that flips the script: rent insurance, and it works like a weapon against a rigged game. Let me show you the math they don't want you to see. First, let's talk about the thief nobody names: the security deposit. Why it matters. You're 65. You want to move to a cheaper place. The landlord wants first month, last month, and a security deposit. That's $3,000 to $4,500 locked away. Money you can't touch. Money that isn't earning interest. Money that's just sitting there while inflation eats it alive. But here's what landlords don't tell you. Rent insurance replaces that deposit. Instead of handing over $1,500, you pay $10 to $20 a month. You keep your cash. The insurance covers the landlord if you trash the place or skip rent. This is how it works. No massive upfront cost. No waiting to get it back when you move. No fighting your landlord over damages they invented. Examples and proof. Frank, 68, wanted to downsize. His security deposit is $1,800. He got rent insurance instead. Cost him $180 for the year. Therefore, he kept $1,620 in his savings account, where it actually earned interest. That's the first way it saves you. But it gets better. Here's the second thief. Application fees when you're rejected. Why it matters. You're on a fixed income, Social Security, maybe a pension. Landlords see that and panic. Can they afford it? Therefore, they reject you. But they keep the $50 to $100 application fee every single time. Apply to 5 places? That's $250 to $500 gone. No apartment, just receipts for rejection. How it implements. You show up with rent insurance. The landlord sees guaranteed payment. Your fixed income isn't a red flag anymore. Example and proof. Robert, 71, got rejected 3 times, 3 application fees, $285 wasted. He got rent insurance before applying to the 4th place, approved in 48 hours. The insurance turned his risk into their security. So that's $1,600 from deposits and $300 from applications. But there's a third way this saves you money. Late fees, the silent wealth killer. Why it matters. Social Security doesn't always hit on the 1st. Sometimes it's the 3rd, the 5th, but rent is due on the 1st. Miss it by 1 day, $75 late fee. Miss it by a week, another $50. Do that 3 times a year, and you're down $375. What it is. Some rent insurance policies cover late payments. The insurance pays your landlord on time while you catch up. No late fee, no eviction threat, no panicked calls to your kids asking for money. How it works. Rent due on 1st. Payment arrives on 5th. Insurance covers the gap. You repay insurance on your schedule. No penalties, no late fees, no damage to your rental history. Example and proof. Linda, 69, missed rent once because her check was delayed. Late fee, $85. Next year she had rent insurance. Same delay happened, but the insurance covered it. Saved her $85 and kept her record clean. Now, let's add it all up. Here's what you save. Without rent insurance, traditional way. Security deposit locked up, $1,500. Application fees after rejections, $300. Late fees, 2 to 3 times a year, $200. Total cash drain, $2,000. With rent insurance. Monthly premium, $15 to $20. Annual cost, $180 to $240. Total saved, $1,760 to $1,820. You're not just saving money, you're keeping your liquidity. That $1,500 security deposit stays in your account. It's there for emergencies, medical bills, grandkids' birthdays, life. The system wants you to tie up your money in deposits that you'll fight to get back. Rent insurance keeps it in your pocket where it belongs. But nothing's free. Here are the traps. Catch 1. Not renter's insurance. Rent insurance is not equal to renter's insurance. Rent insurance protects the landlord. Renter's insurance protects your stuff. You need both. Don't confuse them. Catch 2. Some landlords won't accept it. Big property management companies? Usually yes. Individual landlords? Hit or miss. Ask before you apply. Don't waste time. Catch 3. Credit requirements. Some policies require decent credit. Not perfect, just not catastrophic. If your credit's trashed, this might not work. Knowing the catches means you won't get blindsided. Now here's how to actually get it. Step 1. Find providers in your state. Companies like the Guarantors, Rhino, LeaseLock. Google rent insurance plus your city. Step 2. Compare monthly costs. Should be 5 to 10% of your monthly rent. $1,000 rent equals $50 to $100 a year premium. If it's higher, shop around. Step 3. Ask your landlord first. Do you accept rent insurance instead of a security deposit? Some have partnerships with specific companies. That can save you time. Step 4. Apply with proof of income. Social Security statements work. Pension statements work. They want to see consistent income. Fixed income is fine. Step 5. Get approval and move in. Approval takes 24 to 48 hours. Keep your deposit money. Start saving immediately. The landlord wants your deposit locked up. The property manager wants application fees from every rejection. The system wants you broken and desperate. But rent insurance flips it. You keep your liquidity. You get approved faster. You avoid late fees. You save $2,000 a year. If you're over 60 and renting, this isn't a nice idea. It's a financial weapon. Don't just survive on fixed income. Outlast the system that wants you poor.